Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you are people new over here, then welcome to my YouTube channel. I have again come back with another video, and in this video I am going to share with you how you can remember the name of a people. After watching this video, you will be able to remember anyone names. So let's get started. So first of all, let us talk about why remembering name is important. Well, first things I would like to say that remembering name is important for every people, whether you are a student or a businessman or any professor or you are in any profession. Remembering name is important for you. Why? Because in each and every things, in order to do many things, you have to remember name. For example, if you are a student, then in order to do well in your exam or in order to do something better, you have to remember the name of many scientists, many inventors. And in order to increase your knowledge, you have to remember the name. Or and if we see in business, then many businessmen lose the opportunity because they are unable to recall the name. Like I have seen so many people who lose the opportunity to make a deal in business because they are unable to recall the name of the next person. So there is a vast advantage if you develop your ability to recall name and remember name. So in this video I will share with you technique through which you can recall name and remember and retain in your memory for a long period of time. So let's get started. The technique goes like this: SUAVA. Remember this: SUAVA. And friends, I would also like to say that there is no such thing as a good memory or bad memory. There is only trained memory and untrained memory. If you train your mind to remember, then you can remember better. The more you practice, the more better you can remember the name. So practice is a key to achieve anything worthwhile in life, not just to improve memory, but to improve anything. So the practice is very important. Make sure to practice the technique that I will share with you. So this technique stands for SUAVA, swab. Swab in swab, yes means say. Whenever you hear whenever you hear new name, try to say that name. The more you will speak, the more neurons will be made in your mind, and your subconscious mind will remember that name. So whenever, for example, let's say you want to remember the name of Hans Christiana Ørsted, so or let's say Michael Faraday. So to say that things, whenever you read or you listen that name, if you want to remember that name or remembering name is important for you, then say that name. The more you will say, the better you can recall. And to speak, it is not necessary that you should speak uh, out loud. You can speak in your head as well. Like mm, like in this way you are thinking. The more you will think, the more you can be fluent on that thing. So S stand for say, and S U stand for use. The more you use that name, the more your mind will remember that name. Are you getting my point? Our mind remember that things which is useful for us. And if you do not use that name, then what will happen? You will forget that name. So make sure to use that name. For example, if you wanted to remember the names of 100 people from history, then what should you do? You should write down all the name in a piece of paper, and you can make a schedule of 10 minutes to say that name over and over. The more you will use that name, the better that names will be registered in your brain and you can recall that name. Are you getting my point? So S U and A stand for ask. For example, you meet with new people, then what should you do? You have to ask that name. Like someone says you, my name is Prakash, then what should you do? you should ask name. Your name is Prakash, isn't it? Very good, nice name. Your name is Prakash. So this is called asking this question. Your name is beautiful. Like you can ask questions like, who gave you this name? Who gave you your name? Prakash, very beautiful name. So in this way, you have to ask questions. Questions are the answers. So S-U-A. A stand for ask and V stand for visualize. The technique name is swap. So we talk about S-U-A and V stand for visualize. Whenever you hear new name, you can visualize. Like if someone name is Prakash, then you should visualize that name. Like Prakash, light name. So in this way, if you follow these techniques, then with these techniques you can remember the name of people. So friends, this was about the technique for remembering name. I hope this video may be beneficial for you. If this video is beneficial for you, then make sure to subscribe this YouTube channel and make sure to press the like button. I will be making more videos like this. Till then, that's it for today, friends. Thank you for listening to me or understanding me. Thank you.